In this video, I'm going to try WordPress Studio for the first time and see how it works compared to WP Local. So I have installed just about a few minutes ago, and let me open it. This is the welcoming screen. So based on the instruction, I need to create my first site. My testing WordPress site. Import a backup. I don't have a backup. Advanced setting. I think save to Studio. My WordPress site should be good. Okay, let's add the site. Looks like it's pretty fast compared to WP Local. I believe. Let me bump up the screen size. So I see that from the left side panel, we have some stats, one site running, and we can stop all, and we can exit, and we can, okay, we have one site running. We can open the front end. Oh, it's using the SQLite database instead of MySQL on the WP local site. And we can also, there is a similar to WP local, there is the directly access to the admin. If we click this button, it's like a one-click login. Yeah, and let's go back to the app. So we can check the overview tab. So it's showing the active theme we're using at the moment, because by default it's using the 2024 at this time of recording. Since it's the blog theme, we have multiple options from the blog theme, like a site editor, styles, patterns, navigation, templates, pages. WP Local also added these options a few versions ago, that we can open this project directly in VS Code. And in Finder and in Terminal, it was always supported in the WP Local. But I think WP Local added the button to open VS Code some time ago. So let's try this one. Open this project in VS Code. Is it open yet? Okay, I got an alert. External application wants to open in code. Do you want to open this file folder? Yes. Okay, great. So we open the root project root folder inside the VS Code. Okay, we have extra folders here called database. I think this is the SQLite stuff. Yeah, we have some default plugins and must-use plugins, and we have 3 themes installed. Okay, this is looking good so far, and we can check the share button. Share a demo site. I think this is connected to the WordPress.com. It's irrelevant in my case. I can check the import and export. Import a JPEG backup or SQL database, or we can export my entire site or only to the database. Okay, we can try this one later. We're gonna check the settings first. The settings is some pretty simple stacks and data is about our site we're running at the moment. Okay, let me go back to my site. I'm trying to edit the site and change the site name. I'm not sure how block theme works yet, so let's see. Navigation. Okay, we'll try to update the logo test. It will save this site. And let me go back to the WordPress Studio. try the export entire site. Export is really quick. Now let's try the X site, but this time we're using the import file we just downloaded from the current website. Now let me select the backup file. Okay, so I choose the backup file I just downloaded from my current website, the one we're running at the moment. And now we're importing to the new site. Let's see. I have to say this really fast, feels really fast. I think it's definitely using different technology under the hood compared to WP Local. Let me stop this site and open the new site we just imported. The site name and logo test is updated. Yeah, but I think the UI feels really consistent and user-friendly so far. What I love about this is that we can have a button to open this folder in VS Code directly, and we have few customized buttons that we can directly go to the site editor, and that feels nice. Okay, we can try this one. For now, we can go to the, yeah, we just check the navigation. We can check this one button as well. Yeah, it brings us to the site editor navigation part. Seems cool. And I noticed that we're running on localhost 888.1, and it's a local host. I'm wondering if we can set the local SSL certificate, because sometimes you need that for some certain like codes or like API endpoint. As far as I see from the setting here, it doesn't support SSL out of the box, so maybe we need some extra like configuration, manually set up the SSL certificate. I'm not sure yet, probably do some research after this video. So far this WordPress Studio app feels really intuitive. I might try to set up some testing site where I can work on my themes, and I believe based on the speed, it feels it should be a bit more lightweight than the WP Local. And sometimes if I'm running VS Code and WP Local at the same time, my laptop can get a bit sluggy for that reason. That's it for this video, and just the overview of WordPress Studio app for WordPress Locals development. Let me know what you think in the comments below.